So this started off with one bulb in each pot. I got these given years ago and they've just stayed in the same pot. I just mulch it with some compost every now and again at the top. And they've been left in the greenhouse all winter, that's why they're only grown now. If I had them in the house they would have flowered maybe Christmas time. That one's been eaten a bit. But this has got 2 extra bulbs coming through at the edge. So I'm going to take them out and pot them on each, so they're in one pot each. And I'm going to give one away to my dad, because he'll like that, I think, for the house. Well, this is what it looks like inside. It's actually still connected to the main bulb. And I think I should just be able to push that away. So this is probably the wrong time of year to be doing this, but I'm going to be doing it anyway. One done. That's the second one. I'm going to repot this in some fresh compost. And just like that, I've now got 4. This one's just in the same pot it always was. I wonder if this is ever going to make more. And hopefully I haven't damaged them by doing that. I'm just going to leave them in the greenhouse till they flower. And then put them on the windowsill when they do flower. when they're close to flowering, I'll give one to my dad.